Corona has made life on earth really a hell. The whole of the world is locked down, and people are scared watching negative news on media. But it is curable. I am telling you again and again with confidence, it is curable. Corona can be totally removed from the surface of planet Earth. Just one thing is required: the human solidarity. Humans solidarity, not humans from any country. All humans on earth, they are invited. Let's be together and give 10 minutes daily to save this planet Earth. I'm pretty sure that it is quite possible that we can revive this planet. We can rejuvenate this planet back to its original shape in spite of the ambitious politicians who are destroying this planet. Just by giving 10 minutes, if 1% of the people on this earth give 10 minutes a day for few weeks, this earth will be rejuvenated. We, the human minds, we are the supreme. That is the reason for this, all this, not only coronavirus, every third or fourth year we are hit by a virus or a disease. It is because of the disorientation of the collective consciousness of human beings. If we all unite, we started this mission on April 20th and lots of positive news have started coming in. You keep on checking in the media. Earlier there was no positive news. Now there are channels who are showing positive news that it will be eliminated very soon. But still very few number of people are doing it. We fixed a time at 7 p.m. in IST, Indian Standard Time, 7 p.m. because we wanted to cover the whole planet. During that hour, Asian countries, they are in evening to late evening. European and African countries, they are passing through their afternoon somewhere, and American countries, they are into their early mornings. If we sit for 10 minutes together, 10 to 15 minutes, I say 15 minutes, but okay, 10 minutes is also okay. 7 p.m. find your own time, local time, and sit over there. I have given a link of Om chanting, or if you are not, you are prohibited from using it due to some religious reasons, you can play any holy music. If you are alone, play it in headphone. If you are sitting with the family members or friends, then play it loud, that chant, that holy chant. And in your mind, you have to bring what? Close your eyes, sit with spine straight, preferably, but otherwise sit comfortably, preferably with spine straight. It has a scientific reason. Now play the holy chants, close your eyes. You are not distracted by outside distractions now. In front of you, see the globe, the planet Earth is rotating in front of you. You can see, imagine on the front wall, it is rotating slowly, and there is a light yellow mist, a layer, light yellow layer which is surrounding the earth. It is representing the viruses and the pollution. You look around and you see a large amount of blue light is surrounding the planet all over, far away from earth. There is blue light which is surrounding. You concentrate, you focus on that light, it gets converted into a beam of blue light which starts focusing on the planet Earth. And you imagine that focus is on the place of your own country, like I will focus it on India. If you do not know where your country is located or on the globe, don't bother. Light is getting focused on the surface of earth. It is surrounding gradually the whole surface of earth, and more light energy is coming and coming and coming, and that yellow layer is getting faded away. It is fading away. It is fading away. This is the universal creative energy which is eliminating the viruses and the pollution from the surface of earth, and earth is getting healed. Bring the emotions that earth is getting healed. Close your eyes and emotionally feel that earth is getting healed. It is getting rejuvenated. it is getting renovated. This planet Earth is becoming newer and newer and newer. It is becoming healthier and healthier and healthier. And things, emotionally, you will feel very happy that you are helping this planet Earth to rejuvenate. For a few days you will be able to do it without any focus, but gradually you will learn how to focus. From third, fourth day onwards, you will start doing it. Share this video with maximum number of people so that very fast 1% of people on this planet Earth start doing it. Once it happens, I guarantee you will be surprised with the magic which will take place. The policies will change. How this will happen, I don't bother. Policies will change, politicians will change gradually, and we will be blessed with a new planet Earth. This is possible. Human consciousness has been disoriented by certain humans, and this can be reoriented by the efforts of certain humans only. Nobody else can do it. Once you wish, once you feel, once you visualize, once you speak, once you listen, in this way, things are bound to happen. This is the principle. This is the theory on which this universe works. Just believe. Some of you will laugh it away. Some of you will not believe but do. Some of you will believe as well as do. And I wish you all the best. Stay positive, stay safe, and stay home. Thank you.